Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy A series device, and this time around we have the Galaxy A72. Basically it's going to be a successor to the Galaxy A71 and it's going to be pretty much similar to the Galaxy A52, but there are some things that are different than the A52. So let's begin the unboxing and give my first impression about the device, what this device is going to be looking like and what are the box content. So basically this box is coming with an awesome blue color option. We have the 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of model, which is going to be pretty amazing. So inside the box we have some accessories and some good stuff here. So after opening up the box, we have the device itself, and it's have written some main highlights of the device like the Infinity O display, quad camera setup with 64 megapixel of a main sensor which is supported by optical image stabilization, and one of the thing which I personally like is the IP67 rating. Anyhow, inside deep in the box we have the charging brick, which is also interesting. We now have a 25-watt of charging brick here, which is great options because the A52 is coming with a 15-watt charger, so that is going to be a really good option we have right now. Also we have the Type-C port, which is going to be available inside that charger, which means that we have the charging wire which is going to be of Type-C to Type-C. So obviously the cable is going to be a Type-C to Type-C cable. Basically, yeah, it's a Type-C to Type-C cable, so nothing much there. Also we have another card box which is available in the other portion of the box. We have the lid cover here. Basically inside that lid cover I am expecting that there is going to be a silicone cover case. We have the SIM ejector pin here, and also yeah, we have the silicone cover and some warranty cards, and you can say the startup guides are also available. The cover is going to be looking great, which is going to be helping us out for the device to be long in running because it is coming with a plasticky back on the device. So anyhow, this is the unboxing experience. Let's move towards the device itself, what this device is capable of. So basically let's peel the cover off for a moment and see what this device will be looking in hand. I feel that this is going to be pretty similar experience to the Galaxy A52 because it is coming with same spec sheet and same specification which are coming inside. So yeah, the Galaxy A72 is looking similar device. It's going to be a little bit on the higher in terms of its display, like it's coming with a 6.7 inch of display. And let's turn it off real quickly. So by the time it's going to be booting up, we will discuss some of the design things which are coming inside. Well, we have on the right side the power button and volume up and down button. On the top we have the noise cancellation mic, and same situation here, which we will check later in the video. Also on the bottom we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is rare in some of the flagship level devices coming from Samsung and most of the other companies. Also we have the noise cancellation mic, a Type-C port. Also we have the speakers on the bottom, which is stereo supported. We have nothing here on the right side. On the back we have some of the main things which are coming in terms of cameras. We have the camera bump, which is looking similar to the A52. On the back we have the 64 megapixel of a main sensor. We have the 8 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel of a telephoto lens, which is coming with 3 times of optical zoom, and it is also supported by optical image stabilization. And finally we have the macro shooter is also available with the LED flashlight on the back side. The back is looking pretty much similar to the A52. It's a plasticky back, nothing fancier here. It's a matte finish on the back side, looking pretty much great. And also I am loving this awesome blue color. My other videos are also regarding the A52 has been uploaded. You can check them out as well. The A32 device is also unboxed, and some other cool stuff has been available on the internet. You can check that out. So here we go. We have the setup screen here. I will do a quick setup and come back after that. So guys, the device is completely set up. I am on the main screen of the device and it's looking pretty great. We have a 6.7 inch of a screen here, which is coming with an AMOLED display. It's a 1080p panel, which is looking great. Also, it's not going to be make a comparison like the S21 OLED panels, but this is definitely going to be a great step towards the mid-range category, which are coming with this kind of specification inside. So also one of the best thing which I am pretty much excited about is the 90 Hz of refresh rate rate, which is also coming in the 4G variants. Maybe later in the year we may see a device from 5G for the Galaxy A72, which may come with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Basically its refresh rate, let's check it out in here, whether it's going to be supported by high refresh. Yeah, it's coming with a high refresh rate of 90 Hz, which is absolutely great. I am loving that particular thing coming from Samsung. One of the other thing which main highlight you can say for that particular device is the IP67 rating for dust and water, which is also great for that particular machine, which will not only help us in the rain. You can use that particular device, and also you can bear some kind of splashes as well. The flat screen is going to be really good. We have small bezels all around the corner. We have a 32 megapixel of a selfie camera here, which is looking great. Well, basically we have all the features which are available in the A52, like we have single take mode, we have videos, we have some other cool stuff in more, where we have macro camera, portrait mode, food modes, and bunch of other stuff is available. What is more interesting here that is different, we have a telephoto camera which is going to be supported by 30 time of zoom capability or 12 time of zoom capability inside, which is going to be really good option we have right now. Also we have in the cameras, the video recording is going to be based on 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Also we have one of the interesting thing which is coming for that particular device is the One UI 3.1 support on the Android 11, which is also going to be pretty great for that particular machine. The Android 11 is the latest one software which is coming with all the A series devices. Particularly this device is going to be looking great in terms of that performance. So guys, in terms of biometric, we have the fingerprint and Face ID unlock here. So nothing faster here in terms of fingerprint unlocking. We have pretty much basic fingerprint unlocking available here. So all in all, it is going to be a great option in a mid-range category device. Pretty much good battery capacity of 5000 milliamp of a battery cell is also available with a 25 watt of charger, which is absolutely great for that particular machine, and you can use that particular device for a whole day for basic usage. Obviously I will test out that and let you know what this device is going to be performing in terms of battery capacity. So as far as the processor is concerned, it is coming with a downgraded 720G processor, which I honestly didn't like for a Samsung device to coming with such a lower kind of processor inside their devices. But anyhow, similar processor is going to be seen in the A52 device, so it is going to be ridiculously not so good. So it is not going to be a good processor inside that particular machine. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I will be making different kind of videos for that particular machine, so do consider subscribing my channel for more update. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.